Please note that replacing the mirror adjustment motors is a simple procedure that should not take more than an hour. Replacing the mirror folding motor requires removing the whole mirror assembly. This is a bit more complex and requires removing the door panel. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Begin by pressing the left side of the mirror, green arrow, in as far as it can go, and then pull the mirror off at the right side, shown here. Once the mirror is removed, carefully pull off the electrical connections to the heater element, green arrows. Now pull the electrical connector, yellow arrow, up and off the mirror, then disconnect it. Carefully pry open the two locking tabs on the motor, green arrows, and pull the electrical connector out. At this point, install the new motor assembly and/or the mirror glass. Removing the entire mirror housing has a few more steps. Once the door panel is removed, press the tab on the electrical connector, green arrow, for the mirror power lead and pull the connector off. Carefully pull the cable retaining clips out of the door panel, green arrows. Remove the 3 T30 Torx screws holding the mirror assembly to the door frame, green arrows. Do not worry about the mirror falling off the door. There is a retaining hook on the inside. Now carefully lift the mirror assembly up and off the door frame, green arrow. This image shows the retaining hook, green arrow, on the mirror assembly. When installing the mirror assembly, locate the hook in the hole, yellow arrow, on the door frame. Now carefully guide the wiring harness out through the door frame, green arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.